Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I have another unboxing from China. This is in this big box. I have miter fans from Chinese brand HONGDUI. It's quite well brand. Their product is not cheap because they're really quality, but compared with well-known brands, they're much more cheaper, nearly twice cheaper. For these fans with a lot of nice features, I will show through the unboxing of the video. And the price is about $130. You can see very nice instruction, miter gauge and fans. They come with this kit as this gauge, these fans, or separately you can buy both miter gauge and fans. Now I have a fence, I bought it with this stop. The model is HD-KS22 and the brand is HONGDUI. If you have something from them, you know they are very quality. And the separate models for miter gauge and fence you can see here, and very well made user manual with photos and detailed instruction, all features and adjustment for it. I recommend to read it if you're not familiar with these fans, since I familiar with this brand and the fans, so I will tell you all features which has these fans. These accessories, bolt and nuts to fasten it to miter gauge, and extra functions of this fence. Let's take it out and look more closely. It's quite heavy. I think about 2-3 kilograms at least. As I said, very well made. Just let me to take out this top, look at the fence at the beginning, then go to it. Here you can see metric rulers, but as you can see here, also written inch. So this is versatile fence. You can take out this ruler here from here. I will show you later, and change the face. On the other face, opposite face, it has imperial marking. Let me show, then go forward for other features. Let's take out everything from the packet. You need to take out this screw from here, and another one from opposite side, like this. Take this out, just turn the face and you will see imperial marking. Very clever thing they made in a such way, and it is more versatile. Just 2 screws and you have both metric and imperial in one tool. Just let me to put everything back and go to other features of this fence. Just a moment. That's it. And everything comes with it, this hex, nuts and so on. And as you can see on here, there's a little play here. This is for extra adjustment of it if you need. We have all opportunities for adjustments. The next, the fence can be extended. Just here you can see this lock. Lose it and it will go out. You can see here one marking on this side and second for extension on the other side. This arrow will show you the extension. So you can see it goes up to 910 millimeters. And it will not go out from here. They have a lock, which is also a nice thing. Next, here you can see this aluminum part, which goes direct to here and make it more sturdy and precise. And you can lock your fence, the profile of it you can see here. And two metal rods, quite thick, about 2 millimeters, which is very sturdy. I will show you again. Like this, you can see it's quite sturdy. Just let me to fasten it. You can see it's sturdy, not moving. Everything is very precise. Next, let's go to this. It is very clever and smart stop. First of all, adjustment. With this knob, you tighten it. Want to just take me out to show you. On the back, you can see here rubber part, so it tighten with the fence with this rubber, which is doing two important things. First of all, it makes it more stable, and the second thing is that it will not, just a moment, it will not damage your fence. So let's put it back, tighten in any place. Here with this knob we can adjust the fence part. You can see it's moving, and adjustment limit is about 5-7 millimeters from one side to other side, so plenty of room for any adjustment. The next, the fence, it's very sturdy and moving without any deflection. You can see very sturdy and precise. But you can see here, if I push very strongly, it can a little bit deflect. But in everyday use, you will never to push to the stop such a force. But if you do, they provide you this nice part. It goes to the fence. It has a magnet here. It goes to the fence like this, and magnet keep, you can see here, two magnets here also on the top and bottom, because you can move this as well from here to here, or buy extra of this and use like a stop. For example, you stop here, fence here, make a cut here, another one, like maybe here you put another cut, and you will not all the time go through marking. But the other thing is to keep it sturdy. Right now, no any deflection. That stop as well. Why they put magnet? Because when you will start to move this fence, this top, it will move with the stop together, and you will save your time and will not disturb you all the time to move it separately. Other thing you can see here is micro adjustment. You are losing this knob, and you can see this micro adjustment knob. You can adjust very precisely. as I remember, 0.01 millimeter. I think in regular woodworking you will not need such a precision, but nice to have in your fans. Another good thing which they provide us, this metal rod. You will put in, you can see here different slots for it based on your thickness and other thing. What for you will use it when you have 45-degree miter. When you put here, it tends to open the stop, and this will stop that 45-degree to not go farther and to not open this stop. I just not found something 45 under my hand, so another nice thing to have in your fence, and you will keep it. Also magnet here, nice place for it. But this is not all. As well, you have this extra accessories for it. It goes like this. Just let me to fasten it. The rest is just a moment. For what I put it here, for example, you put wooden some safety fence here, and it will go like this, and it's totally usable, the fence. Otherwise this part will be opened and you can use it, but with this attachment you can freely use it. It has two directions to fasten, and here like this I can take it out, and you can see these all holes for the extra stop, and you can put like this the same. And this is bolt nuts to connect it to the miter gauge. That's it. Hope you like this video and get some information about this HONGDUI fence. Maybe by the video you cannot see really the quality and the sturdiness of the material and whole build, but trust me, it's really high quality fence, and it is not cheap. For expecting from China $120, $30, $40 based on the promotion time for the fence is not cheap. But compared with well-known brands, it's a lot cheaper, and the quality is nearly the same, but has a lot of nice feature compared with the other fans. So if you're looking something quality, cheap, affordable, and packed with a lot of features, you can go to this HONGDUI fence. Hope you like this video. If yes, please subscribe to my channel. It will make me opportunity to take other videos. Have a nice day.